In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do an anterior lateral reach on one leg. So firstly, pick the leg that you would like to use to do your single leg balance on. So I'm going to choose my left leg here. Now, because I've chosen my left leg, that means for the anterior lateral reach, I'll be going anterior, meaning forwards, and lateral, meaning to the side. So I'm going to go almost in a diagonal position in the direction of the same leg that I'm doing. So if I've got my left leg on the floor, I'm going in that forward left diagonal position. If it was the right leg that I was stabilizing on, I'd be reaching out into the forward right position. So let me show you. We're going to come into single leg balance. From here, I'm now going to start to bend my left knee. As I do so, my hips are going to come back and I'm going to reach into this position. So, knees bend, hips come back, reach into that lateral and anterior position, and then come back. That would be the easier version of this exercise. The harder one is to keep your right leg completely off the floor at all times. So you could do repetitions like I did, where you reach forward, put the leg back, get your balance again and go again. Or you can do repetitions where you are constantly keeping the foot off for the harder variation. Now for the other side, it'd be exactly the same. So I'll show you from a side on view. We're going to bring right foot in contact with the floor, left leg comes off the floor, and in this position I bend my right knee, hips come back, and I come into my anterior lateral position. That is how to do an anterior lateral forward reach on one leg.